Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. Today, we're going to do something bigger using AI. We are going to create an action figure model using ChatGPT. So, very quickly, what we want to do here is we first want to ask ChatGPT, simply ask, create a figurine model for create a figurine model of, let's say, Doraemon, famous anime character back in the 90s. So here it's already asking us the things that we need to provide. So let's say style preference. Let's put in style preference. We want it cartoon style, and then pose holding a gadget, and then the format 3D printing. And as you can see, it keeps on asking these questions just so it gives us directly what we want. So standing, we want him to be standing upright with the gadget in one hand. So now it's creating the image for us. So this is one of the benefits of ChatGPT. Although at times it may take quite a while to process the image, especially if it's a heavy request for the system. So for this video, we're gonna skip to the process where it had finished up processing the image so that we won't take long here. But usually it takes around 3 to 5 minutes for it to process an image. And then afterwards, then you can start using a 3D printer in order for you to print the 3D model. And as you can see here, it had already created our action figurine. So that is actually really cool. And that is what we want. The Raymond standing upright, holding a gadget. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget it, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.